package from one of you guys. Yay! Thank you. It's so sweet. It's big. It's a big one. Oh my god. I know exactly who this is from. White Raven thinks I can pull off anything, so they sent me a potato sack. I'm going to style this for you. In a moment, let me see the rest of the things in here. And the rest are some unique snacks. Dill pickle chips. I've never tried this before. Louis the Super? I don't know what this is. It looks delicious. Toffee crisp. I haven't tried this before either. And a few more candies. Thank you, White Raven. Now, I am going to style this. I'm gonna make it look cute. First, I need to cut some holes in it to make it like a dress, I guess, because it's long enough to be a dress. Super itchy though, this would not pass my sensory rating test. Give me a moment. Since I already did my hair and makeup, we're gonna make this goth, so we're gonna do grungy goth. I'm gonna need a belt. Okay, I'm gonna quickly change into the underneath clothes and, okay, here we go. Grungy, ooh, nice looking butt there. Grungy with like fishnet stuff. Get this baby on. It's so itchy, I hate it. I don't know if my pigtails can fit through this. Maybe I shouldn't have done my hair and makeup today. Alright, here's how it looks so far. I'm actually a huge fan of necklines like this on me. Belt. I own very few goth belts, so this is what I got. Let's add a choker to match. It feels very bland here, so I'm gonna add some more like long necklaces and chains and things. Little asymmetry going on. Still feel like it needs more. What else do I have? Ooh. Okay, yeah, black stands out better against that. Can always add some bracelets. Do I put this in my hair? That works, right? Right? And of course the shoes, we can't forget that. Gonna do these babies. Full outfit reveal. What do you think? Did I make it look good? I feel so silly, but I think it works. Thank you again, White Raven, for sending me this and bringing me down this rabbit hole of how do I make a potato sack look good. But I think it works. Bye!